Welcome to the Howmuch POS Cashier app. You're viewing the main dashboard, which offers a clear overview of your daily metrics. Easily navigate to essential functions like creating a new order, ensuring you can begin transactions efficiently. Tapping New Order immediately displays an intuitive interface. From there, easily populate a customer's cart, as shown by adding baby oil. This smart system streamlines your ordering process, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Adding additional items like the Super Tiki Pack is just as effortless. Notice how the total updates dynamically, providing real-time accuracy and reducing potential errors in pricing. Should an order need to be rejected, simply click the Reject icon. A pop-up will then prompt you to provide a clear reason for the cancellation. Entering a specific reason, such as order changed, ensures transparency and accurate record-keeping for all transactions. By confirming the rejection, the system processes your input, preventing discrepancies and simplifying future audits. When a transaction is declined, the platform promptly refreshes itself, preparing for your next sale. This allows you to smoothly incorporate several new products into a fresh order, sustaining uninterrupted operations and elevating your store's overall productivity. Should an order require modification, you can promptly decline it. A brief explanation, such as incorrect details, ensures your logs remain precise and organized. This capability empowers you to rapidly rectify mistakes, enhancing data integrity for superior oversight. Starting a new transaction, you can easily build an order by selecting various products from the catalog. We're adding New One, Bat One, and Laptop, showcasing the system's flexibility with diverse product combinations. Our platform provides precise management, letting you effortlessly delete specific products when client choices evolve. Watch as removing New One, Bat One, and Baby Oil instantly updates the total, guaranteeing the transaction always reflects exactly what your customer wants. Should a revised order require complete cancellation, the procedure is straightforward. Just specify your reason, then confirm the rejection. This ensures all transaction data stays precise, even after several adjustments. The interface is now clear, prepared for your next client. This concludes our showcase of adeptly processing and declining transactions in the Howmuch POS cashier system.